Hi friends, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. In this brand new episode, let me give you the trading outlook in USD-INR for the day 9th January 2023. Before I proceed with my presentation, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. Those who are using this content for trading, please take the help of SEBI certified investment professional. So let me proceed with my presentation. So this is the USD INR chart on your screen. So let me draw the trend line. If you're drawing this trend line here, you can see uh, exactly we are here at this point 82.30 right now. So if this trend line breaks, then we may go to lower levels. So this trend line breaks means there is a chance that uh, yeah, there is a chance that we may fall somewhere here. Yeah, 82, 81.7, 81.7 levels. Now, I think it's very difficult to say whether this trend line will break. Now, before I proceed, let me tell you the important levels for today. So, if 82.30 breaks, yeah, then there's a chance that market can travel to 82 levels. Yeah, and if it holds 82.30, there is a chance that there can be a sharp up move which can go all the way up to 82.40 first, then it can go to 82.50. So as long as if it is trading below 82.40, please do not undertake any trade. But if it crosses 82.40, then you can go for a long trade for higher targets. Now let me show you the 5 minutes chart. Okay, so this is the 5 minutes chart and we are somewhere here 82.30. You can see there was a big gap down today. If I draw on the screen, see big gap down. Yeah, and slowly from the gap down we have seen a long up move. Yeah, so 82.40, that was the previous support, has become a big resistance, and it is trending in a range now. So we had a very uh, big gap down up to 82.20, and from there it has moved. So there is a chance that it can retest to 82.20. There is a chance. Yeah. So traders, be very cautious. If it is above for 82.40 only and it is sustaining, you can go for a long position for a higher targets. But if it is at this level 82.30, there is a chance that we can have a one more fall to 82.20. So this is the uh, currency outlook for today, and let me go to the open interest in currency. So you can see here, if I mark it here, this one. So I marked this one. So if you go and see, you can see 82.50, the highest open interest, put highest open interest. There's a chance that you can have a very sharp pull towards 82.50 because still put is holding. And if you see the call side at three positions there are build-ups. So one is at 82.5, and then Then second one you can see, I'll just mark 82.75, 83. So 82.75, and then third is 83. So so 82.5 is going to be the major resistance, then 82.75 and 83 for call. See, puts highest open interest is at 82.5, which means that 82.5 is going to be a very strong support. So now we are much below the support, so anytime they can be pull back from the open interest. And if you see the change in open interest live, so I'll erase the content. So change in open interest live. So this is, so live change in open interest. So you can see, yeah, there is unwinding in put, but calls have been added. So calls have been added. So at what position calls have been added? So this is 82.5 calls have been added because there was a fall. So 82.5 is going to be a very strong resistance. So this is the current currency outlook for today. So those who are undertaking trade, so best is to go short for a target of 82.20. If it sustains above 82.40, you can go for a target of 82.50 and above. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel Option Trading Ki Duniya, please subscribe, like and share. So thank you.